missed you for a week, you and Alice. I've been worried sick. I flew out yesterday. I'm here in Bright Falls.
Barry, listen to me. I'm at the sheriff's station. Come and get me. I can't talk now.
Al, what the hell is going on?
I had to get the sheriff to let me go. I needed to get to Elderwood National Park to meet Alice's kidnappers.
Okay then. So we're back on Alan Wake. After finally getting it to work. Oh my god, don't even go there. Right. Here we are. Lights off. Lights have got to be off for playing Alan Wake, even though it's the daytime. So we've got to try and escape from this police station. We could have just gone over that little fence, I think. Can we? Come on, Alan. Jump over the fence. Use the little bicycle. Oh, there isn't one. No, he can kick down a board that was here, but he can't, and destroy it, but he can't get over a shitty little fence. Okay, looks like we're going back into the Pollocky station. Ah, look. Ooh.
A writer is a light that reveals the world of his story from darkness, shapes it from nothingness. The way a sculptor carves a statue from a block of granite. If I stop, the world I'm making dies. Darkness will reclaim it. It's a long, hard journey into the dark. Alice's life is at stake, but I can't think about that, or I'll lose it. The dread lingers at the edge of perception. I'll push on. Anything is possible here. I'll write the story. I'll save her.
Hang on, Alan? Have you been wearing the same clothes for over a week? You smelly bastard.
Marvelous, Sarah. I just wanted
who's
to
this?
settle all the damage the Anderson brothers
Who's this
might have
guy?
inadvertently
Who's this joker?
caused on their recent and
Who's he?
regrettable
Look at him, he's got a
They
glowing
are not
shirt.
accountable for their actions, of course. I can assure
The
you
Andersons?
that my staff has been reprimanded.
Tor and Odin never caused any trouble to anyone when they were still living at their farm.
Indeed. All we can do is to slow down the progress of their dementia.
Oh yeah. Oh, fade to black.
Are you feeling any better, Mr. Wake?
No.
I'd like to leave. Am I free to go?
Well, we still need to talk about...
Am I under arrest?
No, of course not. But I need to know where you'll be staying so I can get in touch with you.
I'd avoid the motel. The Majestic is known for its roaches. The cabins at Elderwood are pretty nice, though.
That sounds perfect.
I'm Dr. Emil Hartman. I'd like to invite you to stay at Cauldron Lake Lodge.
Ooh, left him
Did you
hanging.
talk to my wife?
I had the pleasure of discussing your situation with her on several occasions.
Did you set something up with her?
I invited her here. My clinic is a place where...
Oh my!
Take it easy.
Bit over the top.
Hey, nobody move! Get your hands off of my client!
Who are you?
I'm Barry Wheeler, his agent. If you have business with Mr. Wake, you talk to me. You yokels won't know what hit you once I sick my lawyers on your asses.
No harm done, Sarah. I'm all right. I don't want to press charges. Mr. Wake,
There's a bit over the
my offer
top.
still stands.
Get me out of here.
He's a... Oh, yeah, bugger
What the
off.
hell was that about, Al? We don't need a replay of that thing with the paparazzi. I thought they were gonna lock you up.
Barry Wheeler to the rescue!
I had to talk to someone. I told Barry everything. He thought I was certifiable, but when he heard about
You
the
are.
manuscript, I had him. The fact that I'd written something, even if I couldn't remember it, was enough for him. He smelled money. And he believed that Alice had been kidnapped. Anything beyond that was another story.
Oh.
I had a midnight appointment with the kidnapper in a place called Lover's Peak, somewhere in Elderwood National Park.
Oh, yeah.
The plan was to rent a cabin.
I don't like it, Al. I don't like any of it. It's not good. In fact, it's the absolute opposite of good.
Is it bad, Barry?
Barry, you found him.
Hi, Rose.
Oh, wow. I was just thinking about you, too.
Great.
I was just bringing Rusty some coffee. He's on the balcony.
Why is
looking
Alan
at
Wake
the
such a
mess.
dick?
Poor thing. I really need to go. Great to see
I'm gonna have
you
a
again,
sweetie.
Mr. Wake. Later.
I'm gonna have a Wonka bottle cap. That's an endorsement, that is.
Max.
They're delicious. I just
What
twanged
an
my
airhead.
microphone.
Jeez, Mr. Takes a swing at everybody. This is not her fault. She's a very nice girl and, more importantly, a fan.
Don't take a swing at Rose, you horrible man, you. What's this? Bucktooth Charlie. A skeleton of a Colombian... Blah, 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 blah. This is why I don't read much. A skeleton of a Colombian mammoth. Mammothus columbii. Whatever. This specimen, estimated to be 14,000 years old, was recovered from the La Brea tar pits in 1981. It has been donated to the Elderwood National Park in 1998, numbers as well, when the Colombian mammoth became Washington state fossil. Named Bucktooth Charlie, it has since become the park's official mascot. A T-Rex skeleton would have been more impressive. Just crunching on some ball caps.
Seriously, Al,
Oh.
what you were saying in the car? Just listen to yourself. What, you shot a guy and his body just disappeared? When was the
Yeah.
last time you slept? What, are you high? Have you been drinking?
Have you?
No!
Look at your
Larry,
outfit.
I'm missing a week, and someone's got Alice.
Do
and
you
everything's just...
understand what it sounds like when you say stuff like that?
No.
Don't get me wrong, it's a good story, could be a bestseller. But when you start confusing fiction with reality, you're buying yourself a ticket to the funny farm.
Ah!
Wait here.
Look what I just found. What else is there? Ah, it's a lovely view. Ooh, it is a lovely view. I'd work in this kitchen. What's this, first aid? Yes please. No, can't go that way. Go this way. Talk to this fella.
Easy there, boy.
Hey, is that the dog
Almost
from
done.
earlier?
Hey, Rusty, right?
The one that
You're
ran
in
off?
Cabins. Oh, Mr. Wake. I'd shake your hand, but mine are kind of full here. Actually, I'm sorry about this. Would you mind grabbing the registration form from the desk? It's just across from Bucktooth Charlie.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
What happened?
Crazy poachers. Max here got his foot caught in a trap. They're illegal to use here.
What's his
Hell,
name,
you're not
Max?
supposed to hunt within the park at all, but that doesn't stop some lowlifes. Well, at least Max is gonna be okay. He got lucky.
Yeah, got lucky.
Max is still groggy from the shot I gave him, and I'd rather not leave him alone just yet.
Form's on the
Form's
desk, yeah.
across from the mammoth skeleton.
Got it.
Seriously, Al, you can't just go and meet a kidnapper.
Why?
Those situations always end up in disaster.
Why?
You gotta talk to the cops.
Why?
She's my wife, and it's my call. Can we talk about this later?
No.
No, this whole thing. Listen, you hit your head.
Yeah, I did.
Jeez, Al, come on. You gotta understand how crazy all this sounds. If you're trying to pull a joke on me, freak me out, it's working. Ha ha, let's have a laugh on Barry.
Lol.
Well, you had me going there real funny, Al. You can quit it now.
Nope. Why is he being such a... Oh god, everyone's a jerk. This guy's a jerk. Here you go,
I think this
jerk.
is the form you wanted.
And here are the keys. Okay, you're all set, Mr. Wake. Glad to have you staying here.
Why?
Thanks.
Why would
Can
you
you
just
tell me how to get to Lover's Peak?
have the keys?
Oh, sure. It's at the end of the nature trail. Just follow the paths, you'll get to it eventually. It's an easy
Aw.
walk. Nice spot, too.
Lovely little...
If you're having
Aww.
trouble finding it, just keep your eyes on the radio mast. It's right below that.
Oh, so...
and hey, if you take a walk in the woods, watch your steps so you don't end up like Max. I guess I'm a little worried.
that one?
We got a bunch of campers out there we haven't heard from. It's not like these people are on a schedule, but with the traps, well, you know. I just don't
Yeah.
want any trouble.
Right, thanks.
Cheers. Right. Come on, what a lot of preamble. I want to get back to running through the woods.
Look, Al.
It's important for the story, I guess.
Shot a dude who went poof into thin air.
I'll
guy
poof you
who
in
was
a minute.
Bulletproof until you pointed a flashlight at him. You hear that from people who end up spending time in padded rooms,
Yeah.
strapped to their beds, wearing white shirts with too long tangled up sleeves, and eating a healthy diet of pills. Al,
Yummy.
you make cruel jokes about people who believe that kind of stuff. You're the skeptic. You gave me an hour-long lecture on homeopathy last month. What was it? If there's no proof, it's pure bullshit. Period.
Guess the laugh's on me then.
Al, come on! I mean, okay. Okay, maybe something weird happened to you, okay?
Can we
Thanks for
go?
the heartfelt vote of confidence.
All I'm saying is you gotta throw me a bone here, bestseller. What would you think if it was me? There's no way you should be going out at midnight with a gun.
No one asked you to come here, Barry. Either work with me on this or go straight back to New York. Your choice.
Okay. Right, let's go. Do. Alan Wake to the rescue, opens the door and teleports tonight.
That's just crazy talk, Al.
Al.
Al?
Al.
We should go to the sheriff or call the FBI.
Look at his weird ears.
The killer. This is not a goddamn debate, Barry.
I think he meant that to be more poignant, but it just sort of fell over and softly landed on the floor. My name's Alan Wake.
I'm worried that you're not right in the head. Tell me what to do to help, and I'll do it.
You stay here, and if I'm not back by morning, call the cavalry.
Meanwhile, Barry's gonna sneeze. There we go. Oh, I was right by the door. Why am I up here now? Oh, I was at the window.
Yokels are dangerous.
That's a nice
Everybody
view.
hates a tourist, or it'll be Deliverance all over again.
I'll give you Deliverance. What's this book? It looks
Bless
like
you.
Emil Hartman book.
Oh, this place is trying to kill me.
There's some
I'll
books.
bet there's mold in here, spores, poison ivy, God knows what.
Oh, shut up!
So not worth a 15% commission.
That's a lovely cabin. Look at it. It's a bit creaky, maybe, but... Ooh! Keep forgetting I'm still collecting these things. Oh, what's this? Oh, some batteries. Yes, I went to visit a cabin once and it had some batteries on the side. You know, for TV remotes and such. Should I switch the lights off? Oh. Are you not going to say anything, Barry? Oh, you've got a little light on up here.
Lock the door when I leave.
Yep, you go ahead and do what you have to do. I'll be fine. Alone, but fine. In a cabin straight from a horror movie.
It's alright, I'll turn the lights back on. There we go. Don't be a baby. Right, we're going. There's a barbecue out here if you fancy getting a bit, if you get a bit peckish. There's some meat in the fridge, I guess. Oh, I didn't put it there. The meat may be a bit suspect. Human meat! Let's have a look round. Always pays to explore in Alan Wake. Yep. Ah, what did I tell you? There's a hot tub. Oh, and another thermos. Come here. And a well. Watch out, Barry. That's the well from the film The Ring. Ooh. It's probably not.
I'll wait here, Al. I'll hold down the fort. I'll be with you in spirit every step of the way, Al. Lock the door now.
Yep, bye. Should I take the car? Yeah, let's take the car. It's a nice car. Is it a car? It's not a car. Oh.
Barry had never gotten along with Alice, but he knew Alan loved her with an almost frightening intensity. And now something had happened to Alice. And here was Al armed with a gun and saying things people got put in padded cells for. It was as if his friend had experienced a massive psychotic episode and was now totally disconnected from reality. It scared the shit out of Barry.
Marvellous. So, here we are, scaring the shit out of Barry.
Barry had the keys to the car he rented. Wasn't a long walk to the visitor center, and it wouldn't be any use to me in the forest.
Barry, can I have the car keys to the visitor center? I'm feeling lazy.
I knew I should have gone to the cops. This wasn't the smartest thing I'd ever done.
Too late
but
now.
I was still angry with Barry for trying to talk me out of it.
He's only
These
a...
people had called me right in the sheriff's station. The cops wouldn't scare them.
He's
And
your
they had
friend.
Alice.
Oh, Alice, where are you? Alice! Bloody birds! Right, is this cabin just as nice? Maybe. It's not as nice, is it? I think it's slightly smaller. Oh. It's got a radio,
Welcome
though.
back to the show, folks. As promised, our very own Dr. Nelson has just parked his rear end in the studio.
Who?
Doc, what's your Deerfest plan like?
My plan? You make it sound a lot more organized than I ever seem to manage.
Oh, I like the Doctor. He's cool.
Oh.
What the fuck?
Just taking the atmosphere. I'm getting a little too rickety to do much more than that, you know.
Oh, tell
I
me
heard
about
that.
it. No sack race for us older gentlemen, huh?
Yes, exactly, Pat. But I'm going to check out the parade, of course. And I'll be one of the pie contest judges, too. Well, oh, yeah. It's my kind of exercise.
Now, Doc, seriously, you're in pretty good shape, though. You're the outdoors type. I know for a fact you're an avid fisherman.
That's right. Matter of fact, just caught a heck of a largemouth bass early this morning.
I know, we saw.
But you're not taking part in the fishing contest?
No, not this year. See, Pat, I'm just not that competitive anymore. Now I just like to take my time and enjoy the piece of it.
It's because you're old.
Fun if I need to worry about what I'm catching, you know?
Well, considering your track record, the participants are probably pretty happy you feel that way.
Well, Pat, that's kind of you to say.
I swear there was a thingy outside that window. But there doesn't seem to be any sign. I heard footsteps as well. There was definitely something there. What the hell? What's going on? My headache come back or something? This is weird. Alan's got his gun though, he's happy. Falling hazard? Oh great. This thing is now moving on its own. It's a little bit creepy. This place has got a caravan. Let's check out this cabin. I'm gonna kick this one. They came through the door? That's weird. What? Don't know. Oh no, I don't want to turn the telly on, I'm scared. Okay, let's turn the telly on. It's another episode of Night Springs. Ah, this'll do us.
Crime and punishment. The cancer and cure of civilization. But some crimes are impossible to punish. Especially in Night Springs.
Alright. Keep an eye on that window.
Tonight's episode. The Man in the Mirror.
He's inside, Agent. He's a weird one.
So, you're confessing to killing that guy, huh? Why?
Had it coming?
Yeah, but why would you do that? I mean, you're a nice guy. Normal. Took a kid to a soccer game. So how come at the game, you pick a guy and, quoting from the arresting officer's report here, assault the victim's head area repeatedly with the weapon of choice being a pair of bare fists? Wow, that sentence really flows, huh? Maybe you're not the literary type. Okay, so you mess him up. But why? Who was that guy? We couldn't ID him. Why would a guy like you do him like that?
I didn't like his face?
Well, you must have hated it, because you really went to town there. I mean, there's no way to tell what he looked like. No ID on him either.
That must be difficult.
But then we ran the fingerprints. Got a match. Your prints. Identical.
Huh, how about that?
Your son said you were wearing a white shirt when you took him to the game. The white shirt is on the dead guy.
It's plenty red now.
You won't get away with this.
Do you really think that's in any way relevant to me? I had plenty of time to talk to my boy before the cops arrived, you know? He won't stop screaming, am I right? He
think he's ever gonna be okay? I left my mark. Believe me.
You bastard.
What? You gonna shoot me? What's the point? I'm going to prison. You got me.
I don't understand any of this.
And you never will. Don't worry. Maybe you'll see me again, Agent. Maybe in the mirror.
Creepy! Well, we don't get a Night Springs outro. Right. Just finished. Just finished. Okay, so we'll leave this cabin. The light switch doesn't work and it's all kind of fucked up. But yeah, there's still music. Oh! No, go away! Don't want you! Don't want them. Right. This is where I'm ending. Thank you for watching my Alan Wake playthrough. There was a lot of talking in the beginning of this episode, but it's a story-driven thing, and it's like a book and thing, and it's good. So there. I don't know. I have no words. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Goodbye!